The most important thing that I learned in spirituality is about God. Who is God? Uh, how am I connected to God? Where is God? And I had to unlearn what I know about God. It's truly a process because for so many years, iba yung kinamulatan natin na God. That's why I created this video, to tell you how I was able to feel God within me. Not just words, but a powerful feeling of love, not coming from the outside, it's from within. So ito, pagsasamahin ko na yung lahat ng natutunan ko. Kaya itong explanation na to is pinaghalong spiritual and science. Paano nga ba natin, or paano ba naging bahagi natin si God? Kumbaga, hindi na po ako magpapaka-technical sa simpleng mga salita. Ipapaliwanag ko. Our source, or yung pinagmulan ng lahat ng nilikha, ay syempre tinatawag po nating God. God who created everything in this world, the universe, you know what, is in our DNA. In every atoms of our body, in every part of our being. Those are different ways to say how it happened na si God ay bahagi natin. We were created from light. There's consciousness that gave humans form. There's a life force that formed itself to all these wonderful creations. Universe, nature, human beings, animals. That powerful source is God, and love is the core of our existence. We were formed from love, and that is why our heart is the center of everything. We always listen to our hearts. We follow our hearts kapag may decision making tayo, di ba? Sinusunod natin. Madalas, mas pinakikinggan natin yung puso natin. We feel everything in our heart. You can believe these things or not. Take it or leave it behind, but God, our source, has no gender. One thing I'm certain now, God is not wearing a white clothing, sitting on a throne watching us and judging every mistakes that we made. God that we're looking for is already part of us, na kayang iparamdam sa atin ang pagmamahal at liwanag. Once you are aligned with abundance, creativeness, happiness, peace, and love, if you feel safe, that is God. Dahil dito, sinasabi ng iba na we are gods. I believe that's the reason why we feel powerful. I now believe that we are gods. However, ever since we were born, kapag naisip natin ang word na God, automatically ang naiisip natin ay pagsamba or worship. Kaya naman, my spiritual ego might not be humble kung iisipin ko na I am God. So, this is how I accepted it. Para sa akin lang to, ito yung pamamaraan na ginawa ko na masaya at panatag ako. At mas naging madali sa akin ang pagtanggap na God is within me or I am God. But it took me years to fully accept 100% and really feel that God is in me, that I am one with God. The spiritual awakening is a journey. ang kilalanin si God bilang bahagi ng pagkatao is also a process. Dahil nasanay nga tayo na yung dinadasalan natin nasa langit. Ini-imagine natin nakaupo siya sa trono, wearing white, may mahabang balbas. Okay? So, sabi pa nga ng iba, we are gods having human experience, or we are moving gods. Mas itinanim ko na lang sa isip ko at sa puso ko na si God ay bahagi ng aking katauhan. Kaya dapat kong irespeto ang physical kong katawan at buo kong pagkatao. Kailangan kong mahalin ang aking sarili dahil katumbas nito ay ang pagmamahal sa akin ng aking lumikha. I've reflected and meditated on this. I want to see how it happened. And it was shown to me. Diba? Kapag hiniling mo naman, ibibigay naman yan. So, basta malinis lang yung intention mo. So, may liwanag na nag-form into creations. Yung liwanag na yon parang batang naglalaro at gumagawa ng magic. It was just a glimpse. Pero when I saw that, I cried a lot. Because it was short, but it was clear. Now, every time I would say that God is within me, I'm saying it with respect and pure love. Since then, my life has changed. I started to see the world in a different way. Everything became mystical. My words for me became powerful. I started to be in alignment with who I truly am. Like accepting my spiritual gifts. I stopped allowing others to abuse me. I stopped abusing myself. I rest when I'm tired. I sleep when my body asks for it. It's not laziness. I abused myself for the past decades. Walang tulog-tulog. Go lang. Nagtrabaho lang ng trabaho. Work. Bahay. And it's for decades. I have to give right now what my body desires. And I've started to love myself fully. I accepted God in a different way. I always touch my heart when I thank God. Whenever I want to feel God, when I'm speaking to God, I put my hands on my chest, close to my heart. Every time I do that, I feel something na indescribable, na madalas naiiyak ako. I feel some kind of energy touching me back. Ikaw, bakit di mo subukan kausapin si God? Yung nakahawa ka sa iyong dibdib, sa tapat ng iyong puso, tapos imbis na isipin mo na nasa malayo siya, at hindi mo alam kung nasaan, isipin mong nasa bahagi siya ng iyong pagkatao. Nasa iyong puso. Alam kong hindi ito madali gawin at paniwalaan. Gaya nga na sabi ko kanina, ito ay isang proseso. One at a time, don't be hard on yourself. At ang tuklasin, ang tunay na ikaw, at ang tunay na lumikha, yan ay bahagi ng ating paglalakbay dito sa mundong ito.